What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Today we are going to try and taste momos. Actually momos have been available in Delhi for over 35 years or 40 years. But over the last 5 years, momos has invaded everywhere, whether it's east or west or south, everywhere or anywhere you go, you can get momos. And also momos have undergone a transformation. Originally it came as a steamed dumpling, has gone a transformation over these years. So we have tandoori momos, we have deep fried momos, we have momos in gravy, and momos are available in 10 or 15 varieties all over India. So today we are going to try 4 or 5 different momos, and these momos have come from Delish Barbecue. We have tried food from Delish Barbecue earlier. I'll give a link to that episode right here. But momos are new and momos is their specialty. So let's try the momos. So I'm going to try the first momo. This is chicken steam momo. Steam momos are the classical form of momos. So here are the chicken momos. So first I'm going to try this plum chicken momo. It is not like the regular momos which you get on the streets. These are quite plump, almost twice or thrice the size of momo which is available outside. So let me take a bite. Actually you can see the inside of the momo. The filling in this momos tastes quite fresh. I'm told that this is freshly made when they receive an order. I can also get a hint of the aromatics, probably garlic and ginger. I don't know what else has gone inside. If you know what goes inside a momo, please write to me in the comments below. Let me take another bite of this. Extremely fresh. The flavors are so interesting that I would want to eat one more. But this time I'll take a bite with the sauce. Along with the momos, you can find 3 dips or 3 sauces. You have the classical mayonnaise, you have a green chutney, which I do not like to eat momos with, so I'm not going to try this. Neither mayonnaise. My favorite is this chili oil which is floating right on the top in this chili chutney or chili dip. So let me dip the momo in this chili oil. I'm going to use generous amount of this chili oil and chili paste and take a bite. Superb. Actually it's finger licking good, and the chili oil floating on the top is quite spicy. This is the way I like to eat momos, with generous amount of chili sauce and chili oil floating on the top. Dunk the momos in this chili oil and take a large bite. It is fantastic. It is quite warm where I am shooting now, and the chili oil only has added to my woes. I am sweating because it's quite spicy, but it is super tasty. So next we are going to try the Afghani chicken momos. Let's have a look at the momos. So if you see these momos, they have been char grilled, and I think there is a buttery sauce all over the momos. It looks quite nice. I've never tasted Afghani momos in my life. I've been sticking on to classical steam momos or fried momos in some cases. So I'm going to pick one of the Afghani chicken momos. It has been lathered in this buttery sauce, so it is little slippery, and there are some green herbs on the top. Just have a look at these momos. The look of this momo itself is quite different. So let's taste it. It is very different from the earlier momo, the chicken steam momo. Very, very different. Normally when I eat momos, I discard the maida shell. But in this case, since it is char grilled and dunked in this beautiful sauce with herbs, the whole thing becomes super tasty, and there is a crunch as well as the moist softness when you bite into this momo. The char grill flavor comes across quite prominently, and this is really good, superb. There is no need to dip in chili oil because you can't enjoy the sauce if you dip this momo in the chili oil. That chicken momo and the Afghani chicken momo, both of them had different flavors. Actually, one was classical and other one is a new innovation. But I really like the Afghani chicken momo. Actually, a tad better than the steam momo because that buttery sauce and the char grilled flavor combined together, it produces magic when you actually take a bite. Now we are going to try the third momo, which is peri peri momo. This is supposed to be Delish Barbecue's speciality or their favorite momos which they would like to recommend. So let us see how the momo looks like. Again, when I look at these peri peri momos, there is one thing I want to tell you again. The size of these momos are huge. These are not a one bite momos which you get outside. Actually, you can take 2 or 3 bites from these momos. So I'm going to take one peri peri momo. It looks beautiful, and you can see peri peri momo is covered in 2 sauces. One is a spicy sauce which you can see red in color, and the other one you can see a buttery sauce, just like you saw in the Afghani momo. Let us take a bite and see what these are. It is spicy. The char grill flavor is missing from here, but the peri peri flavor is prominent here. The chili taste is not very spicy, but it's prominent and it gives a different dimension to these momos. I have eaten only 3 momos and I am almost full because these plum momos are very large in size. There are 2 more momos to go, so let's go on to the 4th one. So the 4th momo I'm going to try. Let's see what is this. These are fried momos. Let's take a bite and see what flavor are these momos. These are just fried chicken momos. The taste of the stuffing or the taste of the filling is similar to the first one which we tried, the chicken steam momos. But since they are fried, there is a crunchiness on the outer shell. Here I think I can use a little bit of chili oil again. It is exciting to taste the chili oil because it's super spicy. At the same time, I've kept a bottle of cold water near me. This time I am little careful so that I take little bit of this sauce, but still it's quite a bit. Let's straight away take a bite. Actually, when you take the bite, instantly the chili oil starts working on your tongue. On sides of your tongue, it starts acting, and then it just grows. The pungency or the spiciness just grows or shoots up exponentially. Boy, this momo dipped in that chili oil was really good. Super spicy, and your tongue goes crazy with that spiciness. That is the thrill of eating this fried momos with this chili oil. Now the last momo. The 5th momo we are going to try. You can see the texture is different and they're deep fried. They're called kurkure momos. I've never tasted kurkure momos before. I want to straight away take a bite and see how it feels on my tongue. Wow. Actually, they look very crispy when I touch them. They are super crispy. I don't know what is on the surface which makes them kurkure, but let me take a bite. Again, The freshness of the ingredients which they've used in making momos is commendable. All the momos, that is one thing which I want to stress upon. The freshness of the ingredients and also the size of the momos. My wife, who is shooting this video, suggests that I should make an exception and try this kurkure momos with the mayo. So I am making an exception and I'm going to dip the half of this kurkure momo in mayo and going to taste it. Here it is. That kurkure momo with the mayonnaise, it is much more balanced or softer on the palate. Quite interesting combination because there is that crunchiness, there is that nice chicken flavor and that creaminess from the mayonnaise. A really good combination. All the 5 momos which I tasted today were very good. Actually excellent. My favorite would be that Afghani chicken momo from all these momos. It is after a long time I have tried such good momos. All the 5 momos which I tried from Delish Barbecue, they were quite good. A special mention or special honor to those Afghani chicken momos, which had that char grill flavor in that buttery sauce. It was superb, unforgettable experience. And also this chili sauce, a special mention for the chili oil floating on the top. I really loved the spiciness. I hope you have liked this video. It was full of momos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. You can see a lot of food and food stories. And also click on the bell button to get the notifications whenever we upload a new video. That is on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I will also request you to check our website www.chompingchampion.com. We are also there on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Till the next episode, bye, take care and stay safe.